a group that concentrates on Vedanta. It's a religious. They will be dancing and obviously you can see live singing. The dancers are Nikita, Akanksha, Rika Iyer, Ria Modi, Shaili, Sahana, Vaishnavi, and Tripura. Please give them a round of applause.
Hari Om. The dance that they are going to perform today is called the Nama Ramayana, and the entire song is based on the entire Ramayana. It's a great epic of the Indian mythology, and it talks about Lord Rama who went to the forest and he came back. His wife was kidnapped by one of the evil kings in the place, and his whole 14 years he spent finding her, bringing her back, and destroying evil all along the way wherever he encountered it. So what we sing is about that story of Lord Rama, and the dance being done by the children is we're going to depict scenes of the Ramayana. So please enjoy everybody.